Right, you guys, so first I apologize for the kind of darkness here. I am getting ready to head to the airport. I've got a business trip this week, but I wanted to get a video up for you guys. I went to Dollar Tree, and it's super, super random, some of the stuff that I got. And, their pricing, yes, is going up on some things, but I wouldn't say it's been a total fail. So I don't have much time, so we're going to jump right into this. Now, if you saw my last video, my last Cricut kind of video, I'm going on a cruise soon, so I'm going to be grabbing some things for the cruise. And I was reading an article, and people were saying to bring these battery-operated tea lights because they are nice and ambient, but also they don't put off a whole lot of light like a nightlight would. So I grabbed a couple of those while I was there. This is super random, by the way. If you guys saw my unboxing video from gosh, what was it called? Fun Delivered, I think it was. I got this frame, this lighted frame that had pet pictures on it, and I was thinking I could use these cutting boards to replace that insert that was in there, and then I don't know, maybe paint a picture of Mr. Otis, or get my sister to paint a picture of Mr. Otis, because she's really, really good at that. This I just thought was so stupid and adorable and fun, and it's going to be on the craft room. That's the craft room door, by the way. And it's going to be, I think that's the door. Is that the door? Yeah, that's the door. This is going to be on the bookshelf in there, and I'm going to put a plant in it. It's a little Barbie like toilet. I just thought it was hilarious. And, but it's got to go against the wall. But I just thought a succulent or something like that would be just kind of kitschy and, I don't know, just kind of cute. In there, they had some really fun wallpaper. I don't know if they're getting new ones in, or if I've just never paid attention to these, but look at this beautiful kind of geode. And I do have a DIY idea. Despite my content lately, I am working on DIYs. And I think I bought 6 pieces of these, so we're gonna try something a little different, a little oversized. Otis is down here being nosy and looking at everything. Garden flags. They have garden flags at Dollar Tree. And these are cute. These are just the flags itself. And then if you already have the garden flag holder, you can get that at Dollar Tree now too. And this is a flamingos one. So of course they have lots of little tropical kind of ones, and I thought that could be fun and I do have a garden flag holder already outside, so I thought that one could be fun. But then they also have these, which I know that whole tropical vibe isn't necessarily always, everybody's. And they had this kind of farmhousey one that I thought was super cute. I'm probably going to give that one to my mom and see if she wants that one. But thought that they were super cute. I am working on another Dollar Tree kind of dinner kind of series, if you will. And I've been kind of collecting stuff because it's just easier to kind of figure out a recipe and then, go from there. So I grabbed some of this Alfredo sauce. I grabbed some pepperoni that I can keep shelf stable because it doesn't need to be refrigerated. And then some pasta. So there'll be some, that's not together all, by the way. But definitely have some more of those. Been watching some fantastic videos. There's a lady that does a lot of Dollar Tree dinners. I think that's all her channel is, actually, and it's Dollar Tree dinners. And she has some really, really good recipes. There's this Cajun seasoning that I've heard is pretty good. I need some ketchup, so I got some ketchup. Fun decorative stuff. This is a really fun decorative kind of piece. It's like a tassel. The tassel needs some work. But, and I kind of liked the ball on the end of it too. I could see this being draped over like a bowl or something. I could see Otis thinking it was a toy and trying to play with it, but who knows. These, I was also told, are very good to take on a cruise ship, these magnetic hooks. If you are looking for a very strong magnet, I wouldn't say that they definitely hold, a ton of weight, but I feel like these could hold like a swimsuit or something, maybe and undergarments or something like that. That, I don't know if they'd hold a towel, but I'd be interested to see. Apparently the cruise ship walls are metal, and these hooks, because it's metal, will hook. And so it kind of gives you extra storage when you're on the cruise ship. So I was thinking I would grab, I did grab a 2-pack of these. I've got one already here. And so when I saw them in the store the other day, I grabbed them. My store is going under a big renovation too, by the way. And they're redoing a lot of the aisles and stuff. And I will say it's starting to look, to me, more like a Dollar General or Family Dollar. I forget which one. I think it's Family Dollar. Does Dollar Tree own Family Dollar or General Dollar? I think they own Family Dollar. To me, it's just starting to look like Family Dollar. So it'll be interesting to see if the Dollar Tree world kind of lives on, or if they just start combining the stores. I think it's going to be called Dollar Tree, and then it'll look like Family Dollars. It's kind of what I'm gathering. This little wooden frame I thought was super cute. The reason why I thought it was so cute is because, you guys, and this is a DIY giveaway, grab one of these mirrored tiles that they have. It fits almost perfectly. So guess what you've got? You've got a mirror. So yes, I am going to be doing that. And I bought several of these mirrors because I have several of these little frames. So if somebody else wants to take the idea and run with it, please go for it. And this frame, I bought these frames because I thought that they were really beautiful, and they kind of go with that wallpaper. So that could be a teaser into another DIY. And then I was looking at these towel clips. Apparently, when you're on a cruise, you will like go and I don't know, you put your towel out like super early to kind of claim your space, and you use these clips that you can buy, and the clips can be very expensive. And then I saw these clips, and they were $1.25 for 2, and I thought, why not just grab these? So I'll take these, and I'm probably just going to keep them this color. I don't care what color they are. But I guess I could paint them and bedazzle them or whatever, and then use them for my cruise clips to secure my towel in place. So that could be an option. I'll take them with me, and you know, maybe I could use them in the, I was gonna say, maybe I could use them in the cruise room somewhere, you know, in my cabin, but I can't imagine what I would be using those for. Also, remember, if you have a receipt from any retailer, really be sure and scan that receipt into the Fetch Rewards app. If you're not familiar with Fetch Rewards, you can download it. There's a link in the description box below. There's also a code. If you use that referral code, you will be gifted some points from Fetch when you upload your very first receipt. And what's kind of cool about it is that you build up banks of points. So every time you go shopping somewhere with retail, you scan that receipt into the app. Now that could be gas stations, McDonald's, grocery stores, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar. Grocery stores, Walmart, places like that are really, really good for it because they do give you incentive from different products and different brands. But what's kind of cool about it is then you build up this bank of points that you can then redeem for, like I did it for online gift cards. So I was able to get Amazon gift cards. I did a video on here where I redid my front porch, and this was a couple years ago. And I literally redid the entire front porch. I was able to get $500 worth of Amazon gift cards. And I redid my front porch just using my points from Fetch Rewards. I tried to get Fetch Rewards to come and work with me, but they weren't playing. So whatever. I'll just promote them this way, and hope that you guys go and use that referral code, because you will get points, and then I'll get points, and then we get points. I'm having trouble with my knee, so I'm going to try this knee support thing and see if this helps. I don't know if this one will give me enough support or not. My dad and my grandmother, my dad's mom, both had knee replacement surgery, so I feel like it's probably just getting to be that time, and I really don't want it to be that time. But yeah, so who knows? Who knows? We're gonna see. I bought a different knee support because that just feels like it's just like a leg warmer. It doesn't even feel like it's like really does anything. So we'll see. These woven baskets I thought were really cool. Now, first, they were in the plus section, so they were $3. What I liked about this size-wise is this is a really generous size. So this is 15 by 12 by 8. So, and it's actually like 15.1 by 12.1 by 8.4. But what's so good about that size is if you have the IKEA storage bins for your craft room, or you have the Walmart Better Homes and Gardens version, these fit perfectly inside those cubbies. And so I got 2 of the white ones to kind of have a little more decorative, I guess, for the bins that are at my work desk. And then I have the other kind of larger fabric colored bins. But how cool are these? And I did buy 2 of them. I only had a need for 2 of them. Again, I've got the more sturdy ones kind of for all the craft supplies and things. But I'm telling you, if I could, or if I could, I guess. But if I wanted to replace all of my bins with this, it may not be a bad thing. I don't know how sturdy they are for, you know, some of the super heavier stuff, but could be an option. I know that this is a very like short Dollar Tree haul, and you know, I'm getting ready to head to the airport. I'm going to Virginia for work, and I'm going to try and go to a Dollar Tree like in the Richmond area. We'll see if time permits. Obviously, I'm there for work, so that's the most important part. But in the evenings, I have my free time, so if I can go find a Dollar Tree somewhere near me, I definitely am going to do it. And yeah, more Dollar Tree DIYs and crafts and stuff are coming. I've got some thrift flips that are coming too. And it's just been busy. It's just been busy. There's been some family stuff going on too. And so just keep prayers and everything open for that. And yeah, things are going good. Things are going good. I'm just busy. All right, guys, take care. And I will chat with you soon. All right, until then, bye.